Hello students, welcome to EPG Pathshala. I am Professor P.N. Kotru from Jammu. Today we are going to discuss about a module entitled Graphical Representation of Point Groups and Space Groups under paper Crystallography and Crystal Growth. So students, let us see what we are going to learn in this module. We will be learning about graphical representation and labeling of point groups. A representation of point groups 1 and 1 bar, 2 and 2 bar, 3 and 3 bar, 4 and 4 bar, 6 and 6 bar on the stereogram. 32 crystallographic point groups corresponding to each crystal system. We will also be having concept of space group. Space groups of some crystals in Hermann, Morgan and Schoenflies notations. Some common structure types among crystal classes. In the previous modules, various schemes for labeling the crystallographic point groups were explained. However, Hermann Morgan is considered as modern and treated as international notation. The basic 32 crystallographic point groups corresponding to each crystal system have been thoroughly discussed in this module. The concept of space groups and the difference between symmorphic and asymmorphic space groups have been discussed. Graphical representation and labeling of point groups. There are various schemes for labeling the crystallographic point groups, as has already been explained, have been suggested. However, Hermann Morgan is considered as modern and treated as international notation. The symbols used for representation of axes of symmetry are shown in table 4.1. 4.1 shows graphical representation of axes of symmetry. It is divided into two columns. One column refers to the order of axes of symmetry and the other the symbol used for the same. The order of axes of symmetry represented by 1 has the symbol none. No symbol is used for this. 2, which is also called as dyad, is represented as is shown in the table. The triad, which is 3 order axis of symmetry, is represented as a triangle as shown by the symbol in the table 4.1. Tetrad is another order of axis of symmetry, represented as 4, and the symbol used for this is in the form of a square as is shown in the table 4.1. Hexad, which is 6 axis of symmetry, the symbol used is a hexagon as is shown in table 4.1. The most simple point groups are those which possess one axis of symmetry of order 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6. Inversion axis is symbolized as 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar or 6 bar. On the stereogram, 1 and 1 bar is represented as is shown in figure 4.1. In these representations, points above and below the plane are indicated by solid, shown as solid circle, and hollow, shown as a hollow circle, respectively. Similarly, 2 and 2 bar is represented as shown in figure 4.2, which shows 2 and 2 bar representation on the stereogram. 2 bar is also represented as small m, which suggests a plane of symmetry. Vertical twofold inversion axis being the same as a horizontal plane of symmetry. Likewise, 3 and 3 bar, or 4 and 4 bar, and 6 and 6 bar are indicated as shown in figures 4.3. Shows stereograms of rotation and inversion axes. The fourfold axis of symmetry is shown on the stereogram in figure 4.3 by a circle and the solid circles within it with square in the center. Similarly, 4 bar is shown, 6 and 6 bar are shown in the stereograms. More point groups are created by adding /m, that is plane of symmetry, at right angles to the relevant axis of symmetry, to the symbol of the particular point group. For example, 1 by m, 2 by m, 3 by m, 4 by m, and 6 by m. Out of these, 1 by m is the same as small m and so can be symbolized as 2. Similarly, 3 by m is equivalent to 6 bar. Plane of symmetry may also be added vertically through the axis of symmetry. It is symbolically represented by adding small m to the number of axes of rotation. Addition of plane to an axis, say 4 bar small m, leads to new elements of symmetry. In this case, twofold axes of symmetry appear. It is therefore indicated by including 2 in the symbol and so is written as 4 bar 2 small m or 4 bar small m 2. New point groups can also be produced by adding a twofold axis at right angles to the basic point groups 1, 2, 3, 4, and 6. In that case, 2 is added to the point group symbol as per example 3, 2. More than one plane of symmetry, say a plane through the axis and a plane at right angles to the axis, also leads to some new point groups. To symbolize this, /m is added to the relevant point. A total of 32 crystallographic point groups, which correspond to each crystal system, is shown in the stereograms of figure 4.4. It is divided into 6 columns. One refers to triclinic system, the other to monoclinic and orthorhombic system, the third to trigonal system, tetragonal system, hexagonal system, and the cubic system. How their point groups are shown in various crystal systems is also depicted in figure 4.4. 32 crystallographic point groups corresponding to each crystal system. The Schoenflies notation is given on the right and Hermann-Morgan notation is given on the left for each point group in this figure, which is figure 4.4. The equivalent points in this figure above and below the plane is indicated by hollow circle and solid circles respectively. For example, in the triclinic system, the point group 1 is represented in the Schoenflies notation as C subscript 1 and the graphical representation is also given in column 1 corresponding to triclinic system. Similarly, for monoclinic and orthorhombic system, the dyad is represented by the graphical representation here corresponding to it, the Schoenflies notation, which is represented as C subscript 2, is also shown on the right hand side of the figure. Trigonal system in Hermann-Morgan system is represented by 3 here. The graphical representation also is shown in this column, corresponding to, in Shaw's Following notation, is on the right, which is represented as C subscript 3. Then tetragonal, the graphical representation is given, and Hermann-Morgan notation is given on the left hand side as 4, and within bracket capital C subscript 4 corresponds to the Schoenflies notation. Similarly, the hexagonal system, the graphical representation is shown in that column. 6, the Hermann-Morgan notation corresponding to it is Schoenflies notation, which is capital C subscript 6. And cubic system has the point group as is shown in the figure 4.4. The Hermann-Morgan notation is 2, 3, and Schoenflies notation is within brackets capital T. Similarly, for triclinic system, the inversion axis is also shown in the respective column for monoclinic, trigonal, tetragonal, hexagonal, and the cubic systems accordingly. Point groups and the Bravais lattices have already been described. So far, we have considered point group operations only. Point group operations combined with lattice translation leads to a space group, which is actually required in order to describe the symmetry of a real crystal. We may recall the concept of screw rotation axes or the glide reflection planes of symmetry, which have been summarily explained earlier. These two types of rotation do not occur in the point groups on account of the fact that the operation of a point group will have to leave the center of the object in the place from the spot it started. New symmetry elements required for assignment of space groups are the screw axis and glide plane. It is a kind of rotation axis which is chosen parallel to a translation direction in the crystal. So the operation is a combination of rotation, say by theta, and translation, say capital T. A glide plane is a combination of reflection and translation in a direction parallel to the reflection. There are two types of space groups, one being called as symmorphic space groups and the other as non-symmorphic or asymorphic space groups. The former type of space groups are in all 73, whereas the latter types are 157 in number. In all, there are 230 space groups. Let us consider structures having the full symmetry of the cubic lattice, that is, the symmetry of the cubic point groups small m, 3, small m. The body-centered and face-centered cubic structures are assigned to the space group I, small m, 3, small m, and capital F, m, 3, m respectively, where point group symbol, as for example small m, 3m, is prefixed by symbol of body-centered BCC, I standing for BCC and capital F standing for FCC. Each of the 230 space groups is represented by a symbol for identification which is designed to reveal the main features of the group. Symmorphic space group contains two parts. One part symbolizes Bravais lattice to which a particular structure belongs, and the second part symbolizes the point group associated with the Bravais lattice. Thus, the face-centered cubic structure having point group small m, 3, small m, and the associated Bravais lattice is face-centered cubic denoted by capital F belongs to the space group capital F, small m, 3 small m. This way, the 5 cubic point groups corresponding to face-centered cubic capital F symbolized by 2, 3, M3, 4, 3m, 4, 3, 2 and small m, 3 small m will be assigned the space groups capital F 2, 3, capital F small m 3, capital F 4, 3 small m, capital F 4, 3, 2 and capital F M 3 m. Similarly, the 5 cubic point groups associated with the other 2 cubic lattices, namely primitive cubic lattice symbolized by capital P and body-centered cubic lattice symbolized by capital I, are assigned to the space group as capital P 2, 3, capital P small m 3, capital P 4, 3 small m, capital P 4, 3, 2 and capital P small m 3 small m and I 2, 3, I m 3, I 4, 3 m, I 4, 3, 2 and I m 3 m. In isomorphic space group, the reflection planes and rotation axes get turned into glide planes and synchroaxes. If one of the axes in the point group is replaced by a synchroaxis, suffix 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6 is added to the figure representing the axis, and if one of the planes is replaced by a guide plane, the letter M in the point group symbol is replaced by one of the letters A, B, C, D or N, as may be applicable in case of nature of the glide plane. Capital F, small d with a subscript 3, M, capital P, small n, 3 small m, capital I, small a, 3 small d and capital P, 4 with a subscript 1, 3, 2 are all isomorphic cubic space groups. Same procedure of assigning space groups is applied to any crystal system. Space group is important where the internal arrangement of atoms within a crystal is under consideration. They are most important and very much informative in the study of the microscopic properties of crystals. Assignment of space group to a crystal structure provides the following information. The symmetry of the structure is specified. Number 2, the type of Bravais lattice and location of the point group and other symmetry elements in the unit cell is revealed. And thirdly, the positions of equivalent points within the unit cell are determined. The space groups for large number of crystals are given in the literature, for which the reference may be made to Handbook of Chemistry and Physics, Chemical Rubber Publication Company, Cleveland, 1960, and M.G. Berger, Crystal Structure Analysis, published by John Wiley and Sons, New York, in 1960. Space groups of some crystals are given in Table 4.2. Now, Table 4.2 contains space groups of some crystals in Hermann, Mauguin, and Schoenflies notations. It is divided into 3 columns. One column refers to some crystals. The second column refers to space group in HM notation. The third corresponds to space group in Schoenflies notation. For diamond, the space group in HM notation is capital F, 4 subscript 1 by D, small d, 3 bar, 2 by small m. Corresponding to it, the space group in Schoenflies notation is capital O with a subscript small h and superscript 7. Graphite is another important crystal for which the space group in HM notation is capital P, 6 with a subscript 3 by small m, 2 by small m, 2 by small c. Corresponding to it, this space group in Schoenflies notation is capital D with a subscript 6 small h, superscript 4. Sodium chloride. The space group in HM notation is capital F, 4 by m, 3 bar, 2 by m, which is equivalent to m3m, small m, 3 small m. Corresponding to it, space group in Schoenflies notation is capital O with a subscript small h, superscript 5. For copper, the space group is capital F, 4 by m, 3 bar, 2 by m. Corresponding to it in Schoenflies notation, it is capital O with a subscript small h, superscript 5. Zinc blende is another type of crystal whose space group is capital F, 4 bar, 3 small m. The space group in Schoenflies notation for this crystal is given as capital T with a subscript small d and superscript 2. Wurtzite has a space group in HM notation represented as capital P, 6 with a subscript 3, small m, small c. Corresponding to it, the space group in Schoenflies notation is represented as capital C with a subscript 6V, superscript 4. Cadmium sulfide, which is a cubic crystal, has space group in HM notation represented as capital F, 4 bar, 3 small m. The corresponding space group in Schoenflies notation is given as capital T, subscript small d, superscript 2. Small a, small b, small c are used for axial glide planes, whereas small n and small d are used for diagonal glide and diamond glide respectively. One can easily identify the crystal class or point group symmetry of a crystal from the space group notation. The simple procedure is to drop the capital letter of the space group symbol and then change all other letters to small m and finally drop all subscripts. Let us take up an example of some well-known crystal, say diamond. Its space group is capital F, 4 subscript 1 by D, 3 bar, 2 by small m. Now let us proceed stepwise as follows. The first step is drop capital F. Second step is change letters small d and m to m. Third is drop all subscripts. Following the above procedure, we get the result regarding crystal class or point group symmetry of the substance. These steps may be summarily indicated as follows. Capital F, 4 subscript 1 by small d, 3 bar, 2 by small m, becomes 4 by m, 3 bar, 2 by m. That is after dropping capital F. which is equal to small m 3 small m. Therefore, the point group symmetry or class to which diamond belongs is M3M. It is important to know that as far as the external appearance of a crystal is concerned, it is only the point group and not the space group which is distinguishable. Space group is important only one deals with the internal arrangement of the atoms that compose the crystal. The 32 point groups, also known as crystal classes, have a physical relevance. Each and every crystalline solid, be it organic or inorganic crystals, metals, alloys, or minerals, show symmetries corresponding to each of them. A few examples are given in Table 4.3. Table 4.3 shows some common structure types among various crystal classes. It is divided into 3 columns. One column refers to point group system, or we can also call it as crystal class. The second column refers to some structure types. And the third, the system to which these structures belong to. The point group system 1 and 1 bar exhibit the structure types are calcium thiosulfate, whose chemical composition is CaS2O3 6 times water. It belongs to triclinic system. 1 bar, the point group system, the representative crystal structure is kyanite, whose chemical composition is Al2SiO5. It falls under triclinic system. Then sucrose, C12H22O11, which has point group system or the crystal class as 2, corresponds to monoclinic system. In the same system, we have another type of structure known as sodium silicate Na2SiO3 and also potassium nitrate, which has the point group system small m, also falls under monoclinic system. The third type of structure is potassium chlorate, whose chemical composition is KClO3, or anthracene, whose chemical composition is C14H20. It falls under crystal class as 2 by M. This also falls under monoclinic system. Then we come to orthorhombic system, in which there are 3 point group systems corresponding to 222. The structure is barium sulfate, whose chemical composition is BaSO4. It falls under orthorhombic system. In the same system, we have a crystal class small m2. The example of this structure is bismuth thiocyanate, represented by its chemical composition as BiCnSO3. It also belongs to orthorhombic system. And the third example of this is crystal class small m. The crystal structure is oxalic acid, whose chemical composition is COOH whole twice. It also belongs to the orthorhombic system. Then next we come to the tetragonal system. In this we have the crystal class as 4. Example of the crystal structure is metal dihide, that is chemically represented as CH3CHO whole 4. Then 4 bar, corresponding to it we quote some crystal structure which is boron phosphate, capital B, capital P, O subscript 4. 4 by M, that is scheelite, that's CaWO4, also put as calcium tungstate. Then we have Another crystal class system belonging to this particular system, that is tetragonal system, is 4MM. The common crystal structure is silver fluoride, chemically represented as AgF 1 times water. Then another one is 4,2 small m. Corresponding to it, we have a crystal structure urea, represented CONH2, and mercury cyanide, whose chemical composition is HgCN2. Another crystal class is 422. The common structure is nickel sulfate, NiSOO4 6 times water. It also falls under the tetragonal system. 4 by MMM is another crystal class which falls under tetragonal system. That is, the common structure is rutile, TiO2, and also lead oxide, that's PbO. Similarly, in the crystal in table 4.3, you can see under cubic system, the hexagonal system, the trigonal system, or the rhombohedral system. The crystal classes are shown there in the respective columns, and corresponding to these, common crystal structures among these crystal classes are given. So, students, let us summarize what we have learned in this module. Various schemes for labeling the crystallographic point groups like Hermann-Mauguin, which is considered to be modern and treated as international notation, are explained. The graphical representation of axes of symmetry are illustrated. The representation of the most simple point groups like 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6, and the inversion axis symbolized by 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar or 6 bar on the stereograms are shown and explained. All the 32 point groups corresponding to each crystal system, as shown on the stereogram, along with their Schonflies and Hermann-Mauguin notations, are described and explained. The concept of space groups is given, and the difference between symmorphic and asymmorphic space groups is explained. Information provided by the space group of a crystal structure is explained. Identification of the crystal class or the point group symmetry of a crystal form the space group notation is explained. Common structure types among several classes are explained through some examples. Thank you.